How to deal with bird nest. When you were embroidering, you met bird nest. There are several reasons why a bird's nest might occur. Reason 1. The bobbin thread and the bobbin case are not installed correctly, not putting the bobbin case completely. Reason 2. Whether the direction of the needle is correct. Reason 3. Threading is not correct. If the thread clamp doesn't pop out while embroidering, it will also bird nest. Reason 4. The tension of the top thread is too loose. Reason 5. Whether the cloth and backing are hooked well flat, tight. The fabric is too thin, need to put two backing. Reason 6. Too much dust in the bobbin area, or no oil. Reason 7. The pattern is too dense. How to clean a bird nest. Cut the attached threads from the bottom. Remove the bobbin case. Use pliers or scissors to pull out the thread inside. Click on the thread cutting button to rotate the bobbin case to help clean broken threads. Make sure the bobbin case isn't caught in the thread. Put the bobbin back